Problem number 2. Okay, let's go. We got this. Please walk me through it now that we've done one problem, because you aren't going to learn just by watching. You're going to learn better by doing. So tell me what I do with the first problem. Where do I put the 4?
You put the 4 on the left.
Okay, and the 1 right there. Okay, and then the 5, 6. This is this problem, right? And then I put the 1/2. Okay?
I hate this.
You hate this? Okay, so now 4 times 1 is 4.
7/6
And we circle it. And then we've got a 5/6 times 1, which basically equals 5/6, right? Any number times itself, times 1 is the same number. And then we've got 5/6 times 1/2.
24.
I hear someone whispering. And then 4, which is basically 4/1, times 1/2. All right? And that equals, remember, we're multiplying across the top and across the bottom. So that's 4/2. What's 4/2? What whole number is 4/2? Guys, what whole number is 4/2? Remember, if it's an improper fraction, you divide the top by the bottom. So what is 4/2 as a whole number? Somebody shout it out.
2.
Okay. So we've got to add all these up, right? So now we got a 5/6. Tell me what the lowest common denominator is going to be. See, I'm plugging in all these numbers. And then we've got our 2 and our 4. Well, we're going to put our 2 and our 4 over here, okay? Or save them for later. So we're going to keep our whole numbers safe. But let's add these 2 up. Because don't we have to add these 2 up? All right, whatever we do to make them into 12, the common denominator is 12, right?
6 times 2, maybe?
10/12, that's right, plus 5/12. What's 10 plus 5?
15.
All right. Do we have an improper fraction? We do. And we know that's a whole number, right? Because there's a group of 12/12s inside there, right? So there's 1 and 12, 13, 14, 15, and 3/12. And then that simplifies to 1 and 1/4. All right? We got to add that 4 and 2 in there again. So 4 plus 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. The answer is 7 and 1/4. I know I went really fast, but since this is recorded, you guys can watch it again because it's so good. All right, so that's the answer to that one. Got it? Remember, have your multiplication chart in the back of all your comp books. There's a multiplication chart. On page 123 in your planner, there's an orange multiplication chart. Okay, check your math afterwards with a calculator. I go really fast and I make tiny errors and then I get things wrong. Have always done that with math, so I know that about myself. So I check my math, check my math, check my math. Okay? Questions? How did I get that answer? How did I know how to do that? Mr. N will be so impressed when you take a photo of this and post it. Okay, submit it. All right, breakout room, Barbara, with Alina.
Okie dokies.
Alina's got that math down, and her grades are great.
Nice.
Noemi probably wants her own breakout room. Although, Noemi, you're done with your work, right? Probably should work on some facts with you, some math facts. All right, I'm going to clear this. Can I clear this, guys? Yeah? Okay. Hope you got it. It's on. I'm going to post it on my